everybody! Today, we're going to be using Hansel and Gretel's strategy of leaving crumbs to count pebbles on a path. Doing so, we will help use our strategies of counting forward, counting backwards, counting up from the lowest number, counting on from a known number, and doing whatever other strategies we can think of to find our missing number pebble on our path. To start, we'll start at the beginning of our path with Hansel and Gretel standing on stone number 1. So, since we know that we're at the beginning, we can assume that this is number 1. We can use 1s, 5s, and 10s to count our way to the end. We'll start with 1s. Make sure that you guys are counting with me at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What would be the next stone? What number would come next on our path? Let's count them again using 5s. 0, 5. What number would come next for the next pebble on our path? We'll count them again with 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if we were at pebble number 5, how many more steps would we have to take to get to pebble number 8? Let's find out. Start at 5, 6, 7, 8. How many jumps did we take? 1, 2, 3. So we know that 8 is 3 away from 5. As Hansel and Gretel walked farther down the path, they started to lose track of what pebbles there were. Luckily, they remembered that this was pebble 34. And this was pebble 40. They forgot, however, to mark this pebble. What number pebble would be the pebble colored in red? If we start at 34 and we count on, it would be much easier to find out. 34, 35. Counting up by 1s allows us to find out that this is number 35. We could also count back from another known number. We know that this is pebble 40. So let's use our counting back skills to get to the red pebble. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. We still get to 35 no matter which pebble we count from. Hansel and Gretel keep walking down the path. And finally, they get to the triple-digit numbers, the hundreds. As they were walking, they realized that they had come to pebble 93. But they forgot to mark the first pebble on this section. Do you know what number pebble this is? Use some of our strategies to try to figure it out. The first strategy is to count back by 1s. So our first known number is 93. So if we count back by 1s, we would say 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87. We could also double check by counting up. So we'll start with 87 and make sure that our math is correct. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. So we were right. It's Pebble 87. My next question is, how many pebbles are there between Pebble 93 and Pebble 103? Let's count on to find out. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. I count 10. Let's count backwards to make sure. 103, 102, 101, 100. 1, 2, 3. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94. Let's count our rocks just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We were right. It was 10. The next trick question. What number pebble is hiding behind this tree? And how do you know? If you said count up from 103, you were correct. We'll count up. 103, 104. The 104th pebble is hiding behind the tree. Hope you guys followed along, and good luck with the next activity.